Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make the Caesar salad dressing easy method. Start by combining 1 egg yolk, minced garlic, chopped anchovy, 1 tsp Dijon mustard, and 2 tablespoon lemon juice in a bowl. Add a pinch of salt and a few grinds of black pepper, then whisk to combine. While whisking vigorously, slowly stream in 3/4 cup olive oil until the mixture thickens and holds together as a creamy emulsion. To emulsify the dressing, whisk vigorously or use a blender on low speed and add oil in a thin, steady stream to create a glossy, thick texture. If the dressing looks broken, whisk in 1 tsp cold water to rescue the emulsion. For a lighter dressing, substitute half the olive oil with neutral oil and whisk until smooth. Always taste at the end and add more lemon juice or salt as needed for perfect balance. If you're finding this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe to support more easy recipes. Quick recommendation: grab Little Tree's black ice to keep your car smelling fresh while you chop and toss. It's a small thing that brightens the commute and kitchen runs. I linked a handy option in the description along with any deals, so check that out. Now let's get back to the video. Finish by folding in 1/4 cup grated Parmesan cheese for umami and thickness, then taste and tweak seasoning as needed. When serving, toss the dressing with crisp romaine, crunchy croutons, and extra shaved Parmesan to coat evenly. Keep any leftover dressing chilled in an airtight container for up to 3 days and re-whisk briefly before using. This method keeps the flavor bright and the texture smooth for every serving.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.